Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Hobonichi cousin that I use as my everyday planner. And this week I will be using a new to me shop that I discovered during the Made in Canada Planner Collab sale. And they are Winterfield Studios. And I'm using, I believe this is teal something. I can't remember the name of the collection. I'm so sorry. But I purchased these florals, these stickers, which I'm using as kind of washi, and then some of her box stickers. And then I'm going to combine it with some anemones from According to Ally. And the Tombow Dual Brush pens that I would like to use is either 992 or there was another one and now I have lost it. Oh, there it is. It's either 992 or 912. I haven't decided. And I may also use these two washi. Let's get started. So when decorating my Hobonichi cousin, what I like to do is actually put washi up along the top. So I'll have to move where this paper clip is. I'll have to move that there. And then I chose this because I think the colors of this highlight all of the colors that are in these florals, but I'm almost afraid to put that up at the top. I feel like I need something a little bit more neutral, so I think I might put these up at the top. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Sorry, I had great intentions, but neutral, I think neutral is always going to win out for me when it comes to washi, because I want the focus of the decoration to really be on the stickers that I'm using, and washi is kind of something that just complements it rather than be the main focus. So if you're wondering where I got this washi, it was from a set that I bought at Michael's 5 years ago now. Wow, 5 years ago, which means I have been planning for 5 years, and I've had this channel for over 5 years. Oh, come on, rip. That'll do. Okay, and then I think I'm going to do the same thing down at the bottom as well. So, oops, to separate where my meals are and the rest of my day. I don't normally do the same washi in both places, but I thought, you know what, might as well give it a try this week. And I think that's one of my processes for planning, so BLD, is trying something new to see if it will work. And I actually don't mind blocking off like the midnight to 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock area. I'm not normally awake at that time, so I don't need to plan out that area. I don't need to leave space for that area. Feel like I'm getting too old to be up at that time. I used to be able to do it when I was younger. Not anymore. I like my 10:30 bedtime. Okay, so what do I want to put in this corner? Oh, the box actually fits really well. But I also want to put one of the anemones. So maybe this one. I'm just playing around here. This, I don't know. I'm not a fan of that particular box being in there. I feel like there's too many colors going on. That may work better in my journal. So what if I did the smaller anemone with one of these? So I'm going to put that down at the bottom here and get one of these leaves. Those are so, so pretty. And then just another little tiny one here. Oh my gosh, I love it. Then I feel like that's a lot. I mean, I haven't done a lot in terms of how much decoration I've put down here, because I do need to leave some for my journal spreads for the week. I mean, I've got, okay. I think I can mostly leave the big flowers. I can take a couple of the smaller ones for this spread and we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in and then do the sidebar. So along the sidebar, I'm going to use, I do want to include a little bit more blue, so maybe this is the time to bring in the washi, but then I can't write on it. So I'm going to use 992 to highlight just a little bit of this area here. And then I'm going to use my Tombow Fudenosuke pen, write in the word sleep, or brush letter in the word sleep. And then I'm going to take one of these cute, sweet, stuffy dreams emojis from the Coffee Monsters Co. and just place the sticker like that. Really cute sidebar so far, if I do say so myself. And I was planning on actually using a different ink, but now that I'm not using as many of the blue florals in this spread and a lot of the colors coming from the green down here, I'm going to be using my Sailor Pro Gear Slim that currently has Sailor Ink Studio 162 in it. And I'm going to draw in the graph where I keep track of my sleep score throughout the week. And I write 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 along the side, and then the days of the week down at the bottom. And I get all of my tracking info, my sleep info from my Fitbit. And then right underneath that, I'm going to do the same thing, same color, and I feel like this is going to be a very neutral spread with all the browns here, but I like it. Underneath, I'm going to put a little weightlifting sticker for workouts. Cute. And then just brush letter in the word workout with my Tombow Fudenosuke pen. And then using my Sailor Pro Gear Slim, write out my schedule for my workouts with Monday, Tuesday, and the days of the week here. And I like having all of my workouts down the side like this. I used to have a whole planner just for fitness, wellness and fitness. And it was great at the time. It was what I needed at the time, but it became a lot. It became a lot. I ended up having like 6 or 7 planners at one point, so it did become a lot. What comes after? Oh, I had to double check and I did have it right. So it's back and biceps. So I'm restarting lift 4. And then Wednesday is a rest day. Now I'm deciding whether or not to actually use it as a rest day or if I'm going to do legs from 10 rounds. I'm going to leave that blank for now. And then shoulders. And then legs. And then Saturday and Sunday are rest days. You know what? Now that I see that green next to this, it I think was a perfect match. So then I'm going to go in and down at the very bottom, right along the bottom here, I'm going to write BLD for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And for me, I actually really like keeping track of it here. I'm not as strict as I used to be when it comes to my eating, but I've been reading a lot into intuitive eating, and I feel like I'm at a place that really works well for me. Okay, so then let's move to the main part of the spread up here with the hours. And I'm going to, again, I feel like I should use green. I'm going to grab, I think I'm going to grab 312 or 192. Which one is going to match better? I think 192 always matches better. So I'm going to go in here and highlight each day, and then rotate as well. I like having the different colors. And then using my Tombow Fudenosuke pen, just brush lettering the word work. And I could add cute emojis in there. Some days I'd like to, some days I don't. It really depends. And then go in with my Sailor Pro Gear Slim and draw in my hours. So my hours are normally 10 to 6. And it works out really well because then I have time to drop off the kids at school in the morning. And then I also have time to do a quick tidy up of the house and also take Lucy on a walk. And I'm not rushing to get to work. It's actually a very relaxed routine in the morning. Okay, so that is the middle part of the spread. So going into Monday, I'm just going to write out the word to do. And then Monday is normally the day that I meal plan and order groceries. And then we pick them up on the Thursday. And then Tuesday night is when my husband actually puts out the groceries. So I'll take one of these garbage day doodles from Coffee Monsters Co. and place it on Tuesday evening, and then write in, or brush letter in, garbages. Put out. Whoops. Put out garbages. You know what's funny is that a lot of these things I know I have to do on a week-to-week basis, but I'm always afraid that if I don't put it in my planner, I'm gonna forget. And this is why we plan. And then Wednesday, nothing planned that I know of. And the kids are on spring break this week, so thankfully no school. So I don't have to pick them up or drop them off or anything. Wednesday is actually garbage day, and then Thursday is grocery pickup day. So I'll take one of these cute stickers. I think this was from the Sticker Genie, but this was from quite a while ago, quite a few years ago, and I don't think she's actually open anymore. Pick up groceries. And I love using these little stickers. It makes it fun, but it also adds like little pops of color throughout the spread. And then Friday, I know that I have to do my filming, or I get to do my filming. I will choose one of these neutral ones down here. And yeah, Friday is normally my filming day. And I'll take the Tombow Fudenosuke, so film. And I will be doing my usual filming my weeks as well as my cousin. But I think I'm going to also do a little planner update as well. Let you guys know how I'm doing with all of my planners. But I mean, if you've been watching my plan with me's pretty regularly, or even my vlogs, I think you guys have a pretty good idea as to where I stand. But let me know what other types of videos you want to see. If you like seeing those journaling, the journal with me's where you see how I decorate my daily spreads and how I write with them, then I'm happy to do more of those. Those seem to be pretty popular. Okay, so let's move to Saturday. And because Henry doesn't have wall climbing this week, we don't actually have a lot of plans for this Saturday. The main plan I have for Saturday is laundry, which is fine. So I'll put the laundry sticker down for about 4. There's no set time as to when I'm going to fold the laundry, but I normally try and have it done by this point. Some weeks are better than others. Oh, last week I had them folded and put away before 4. That is an accomplishment. And then Sunday is our cleaning day. And actually just checking with last week, or this week, I did the bed linens. So these ones are from Paper Bits Co. And I love her because she looks like me. And I know that now with, it's even in a sticker that representation is so important. And I love seeing stickers that look like me. So then to clean, Sunday is our cleaning day. And the first weekend of the month is normally when we also do our baseboards and our doors. And then I get to do all of our bathrooms. We went from having 1 bathroom in our apartment to 4. So 2.5 baths. And then I clean the kitchen, the cabinets, and the appliances. My husband is the one who does the vacuuming and all the window blinds. And Henry is the one who actually grabs all of the garbages from all over the house. We make it a game with him. And he does some of the dusting too, as much as he can do. And then my daughter does the light switches and the door handles. And she does her bathroom as well with help. So it's a whole family project, the cleaning. All right, so that is my planner filled out so far. I'm going to zoom out here. Okay, so right now I know that that looks really bare, but if you guys even take a look at last week's spread, as soon as I start filling out the rest of the week, I haven't filled in last night, it's only Friday. As soon as I end up filling out the rest of the week, the spread has life in it. The spread gets life or has life. I don't know how to explain that, but basically, I mean, before the pen, yes, it's very clean, very empty, and I know some people prefer seeing the before the pen spreads. I really love seeing after the pen spreads, and I know for some people it looks really cluttered, but I love it because I can pinpoint to, we didn't actually have the celebration of learning with Henry's teacher. We ended up doing that here, so I'll have to find a way to write that in somewhere. I might have to do a little bit of rearranging around here too, but it's memory planning for me. It's a way of memory planning. It's a way for me to just look back on that week and just say quickly, oh, that's what we did. It was a very busy week. But it's also, you know, part of journaling for me. I love being able to look back on these spreads, and my kids can look back on this too and know what we did. And my husband, I said to him, I always write in our planner what movie we watched last night. So you can look back to all of the planning pages and see what movies we watched for movie night, because he will probably forget. But anyway, so it does look very bare right now. I'm going to add this down here at the bottom, and I think just even adding that adds a little bit of color. I might add, I wonder if adding an anemone right in the middle is a bit much. I don't know. I don't know if it would add enough for me. How does that go? Ooh, I have a possible idea that might work. Now I know anemones, they're not green, they're not brown, but I have an idea brewing. So I've decided, after some thinking, I'm going to cut this in half. Whoops. And place it in between the two pages. I won't, it won't be touching exactly, but as close as I can get it, like that. Then I'm just going to place do I want the small one or the big one? Yeah, just like that. So I've created kind of a triangle with all of the deco, and I actually really love how that looks. Yay. All right, so that is it for me. Thank you guys for sticking around for this longer, chattier plan with me, even though the result turned out pretty, say, basic. I appreciate you guys watching my channel, for all your comments and feedback. I feel like it's nice to be able to do these and know that people are listening and actually reply to me. It's not just me talking to myself in my basement. All right, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.